Ladies and gentlemen, I've had an idea. And it might be the dumbest video you ever watch. If an anvil falls on you, you die. Right? But do you fall faster than an anvil? Who really knows? And I haven't looked online, which is why this may be the dumbest video you've ever seen. But we're going to test it. Okay, so we're going to set up a system to detect when all of this happens. So we have this system right here, which doesn't work. What if we make that a target block? Okay. Guys, I figured it out. Whoa, my bad. We have this little system right here to see which one of us lands first. And I'm assuming if I break that right there, we'll fall at the exact same time. 3, 2, 1, go! You do fall faster. Or maybe you don't. Hold on. We need to do another test. One more. Okay. I think what happened there was that guy broke, or it broke this way, like started there. And then I was already falling by the time that broke. So we're going to do it this way. Ooh. There we go. All right. Let's see which one lights first. Nope, I still did it. Okay, now we know it works. So we're going to test it officially. So if we place that there, okay, we've got an anvil. We're right next to it. We're going to break this block. And we're in survival mode. See if it kills us. Or hurts us, at least. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Go. It does. Looky there, it does work. Okay, this can be interesting. So we're going to go up 10 blocks and try this. What, we're already up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Test from 10 blocks high. See if we live to tell about it. Barely, because we're also taking fall damage. There we go. 10 blocks. Okay. It's kind of scary, because if you're in something like the Life series, you could totally get somebody who's trying to get you. Sneak up on their tower, you know? Like, oh my gosh. Skiz is right here. He's about to drop this anvil on somebody. He's standing on top of it. Break. He falls down with it. Bada bing, bada boom. Science. Alrighty, so now this is 10 blocks tall. I want to go 50 blocks tall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 26, 27, 20, 39, 40. Okay, 40 more blocks added to what we already had. Give this another go. Why am I climbing this? I'm in creative. There we go. Game mode survival. Let's do a whoop-de-doo. Oh. Well, now we have to solve that problem. My bits sprayed everywhere. How fun. What if we do... Ooh. Double wool. That's the method. Double wool. I think you didn't take damage on double wool. What is this? Where am I? I'm right here. Do we need another piece of wool? Is it triple wool? Is that what it is? It might be. Let's give it another go. I mean, this will be enough for him to tell us if we take damage. Yes, we do. Why? Why? Okay, if we fill this with water. It does put out the water, but it doesn't break it, which is great. So what we're going to do, make that an infinite source, and when we drop it, we'll fall in. And we won't die. Alrighty. Ready, set, go! Oh, but it doesn't deal you damage. That's not fun. How are we going to do this? How are we going to test this? Come on. I want to see it happen. I mean, unless we try to do a water bucket clutch, which would be pretty insane. We're going to try that. Can we do a water bucket clutch? Probably not. I kind of fail at those every single time, but I think that's the only way that this will work. Okay, attempt number 27 with water bucket clutch. Aha! We did it. Great. I think that's the first water bucket clutch I've ever done in my life. Definitely the first one from that high. I call that a complete win. Now, I'm kind of tempted to try it from 100 blocks, but that kind of seems like it would be completely irrelevant, as 50 blocks killed us. So, I have another idea. We're going to gear up. Alrighty guys, we have netherite armor now. And I didn't enchant it because I want to see... Ha. Because I want to see whether or not we can survive this drop right here with just normal armor. And then we can know what we should do from here. Alrighty. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, we did live. We did live. We're going to try to throw some enchantments on this. And then we're going to go from 100 blocks. We want... I think just protection 4, and then let's do one projectile protection 4. Hey, looky there. Protection 4. That'll do it. Now we just got to take this darn armor off. Oh, it is off. You're gonna make me take bottles of enchanting. No, you're not. Perfect. Wait. We want the helmet to have projectile protection. Just in case it registers an anvil as a projectile. Okay. Did I dumb? I might be dumb. Let us see if this works. Or if it works any better. I think it will. You just have to see. Alrighty. Attempt number 763.42 with protection armor. Hey, that didn't really do any damage. We might be able to go the full 100 blocks here. Again, I'm impressed. Alrighty, there she be. Tower of Doom. Let's give it a go. I'm excited. Test number 2362. Subject appears to be nervous for the water bucket clutch. But we're going to send him anyways. Yep. Oh, and did it destroy all my stuff? No, thankfully. Okay, We gotta do that again. Wait a second. I have a better idea. We don't need a water bucket clutch this. What am I doing, bro? This is so dumb. See? You get smarter as you go, kids. I promise. Alrighty. Now, there's already water there, and we just have to pick it up. Now that we've taken out the human error, let's try this one final time. See if we can get 100 blocks. Alrighty. Final attempt. Better make sure I have my water bucket. Armor's on. Very cool. Let's send it. Think. Dude, how high can you go? Okay. Never mind, that's not the final attempt. Also found the anvil. Oh, guys. Clearly, we're too strong. So, next step. Going all the way to build height. However, more blocks, that is. We're just going to do it. I thought we would be dead by now, and we're not. So, we're just going to make sure it happens. We're just going to sit here and hold this. And hold it. Still holding it. Don't you worry, guys. I'm just going to keep holding it, alright? I don't even remember what the build height is. What height are we? That's a better question. -60. Oh boy. We're gonna... This is... Whoops. We're gonna be here a minute. Might as well have some fun, I guess. I didn't mean to do that. Drink a lot of water. Like my weight in ounces a day. Might be too much. But water's good. Drink water. This is not an ad. I just care about your health. Guys, we did it. Weight limit reached. Oh, I gotta put the water back. What? Utilities? Okay. Let's do it. 319 blocks, really. We were at -61. Man. This is gonna hurt. I don't know if we're gonna live. I mean, I hope not. The goal was to not. You know, we want to make sure this is possible under all circumstances. Oh, this is a long ways up. Holy cow. Man, I hope I'm on the right side. It'd be awkward if I wasn't. Alright, I'm gonna need some quick math. 318 plus 61. So 379 block fall. Are you guys ready? Because I'm sure am not. Alrighty, guys. Welcome to the dumbest idea ever. What do you guys think? Will it kill us? Will it not? Will we live? Have to wait and see. I guess. Let's do it. Ah! Oh man. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Still? Dude. Why? I don't understand. I wonder if it's the projectile protection. It does look like it's taken more. Yeah, it looks like it's taken more damage than the rest of it, which makes sense because it's on my head anyways, but man, dude. I really thought this would go better. I thought there'd be some armored death from the top of the world, but I guess not. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching my dumb idea. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see ya for the next dumb idea.